Isoko Wado, everywhere versus zihiezi. Greetings to you, everybody. I want us to do some classwork. Yes, I want us to do some classwork. Let's know those are following up. Let us see them. Yes, you understand? Now, you are going to translate them to English for me. The write-up are already there. You can see the write-up now. The write-up are there. They are also in the comment section. But the write-up are Isoko write-up. Isoko, and I'm going to read them with Isoko, but you are going to translate them to English for me. Okay, so number one I have here on my list is nyaze. Nyaze. Number two, merie. So we say merie. So we say merie. Like everyone go say meniere. Everyone people go say meniere. Then number three, merie. Everyone people go say mezanie. Then let's move further. Metirui. Everyone people go say mesarui. Let's move further. Meyo. Everyone people go say mioni. Meyo. Okay. Next. Meretiyo. Everyone people go say migbionia. Meretiyo. Migbionia. Meretiyo. Then the next one is meziezino. Which is everywhere people go say mizigesenare. Meziezino. Then the next one here is metisei. Not reading of buku, because those two words sound the same but have different meaning. Metisei, everybody will say fumisawei. Metisei. Then the last but not the least on today's class or today's assignment is mewoho. Everybody people will say mezawo. At the use sense the teacher na so na go pay me on. Because everyone people we get how to even if I teach you this on say get how if we even come across yourself like or you come across or maybe they speak if we don't want make you hear what you they talk, you get how we go take change the matter. You not go still hear what you they talk for everyone. And so we did. Forget the matter. Say we small. We don't be senior. Understand? So back to the business of the day. The last but not the least on today's assignment or classwork, however, is mewoho. So I want to see your answer in the comment section as you translate these words to English. They are just simple and easy sentences. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless you as you share, you like, and drop your comment. Please, I remain your friend, your daughter of Flefle Ramote, a circle to the world. Love you all.